Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this smoky gold glitter eye. Something real cute for the holidays, date night, you're going out with your girls or whatever, or your boo, but it's real cute or whatever. Yes, and this ponytail is just really giving me life. I'm gonna have to, keep them in the family, but I love this look though. It's really cute. I don't do them often, but this one came out real cool today, so it's like, oh, yes girl, alright. And I got a new highlighter. Finally got my Juvia's highlighters after 10 years. Okay, but it was worth it. It's popping or whatever. Okay. But if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, hit that bell at the bottom. Okay. And comment, like, share. Yeah, share to all your social media and anywhere else you let you share to. Okay. And yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna get into this look. Okay, so I already put my transition color down, which is just a nude. And so, second color we're going to take is Cameroon, which is the brown from the Afrotique palette. And then I'm also going to take some of Unbothered from the Color Rain Vivid Pigments palette, which you don't have to use it. If you have the Anastasia Prism palette, you could use that nudish color in there. I'm just using this one. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is mix those two together. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to take and pat that around. And I'm still trying to figure out how to work this Vivid Pigments palette. Because the first two times I've tried to use it, it works okay, but I struggle with it a little bit. And I think because it's a mixture between a pigment and a shadow. So, But this is the look that got voted for, what is it? Instagram? Yeah, I took up on Instagram whether to do a basic smoky eye or a gold glitter eye. And the gold glitter eye won, surprisingly. I was like, okay. I haven't did one in a while, but I think it turned out kind of cute. It's okay. Next, I'm going into the ABH Prism palette. And I'm going to take Parallel and Obsidian. Parallel is the brown, Obsidian is the black. I just mix those two together and put it in my crease. Okay, I want to build this color up a lot between the black and the brown. Mix them together. Okay, so after I cut my crease and then I smoked it out with black, I'm taking Jlarue pigment in Precious Metals. It's the bronzy color. Oh, it's like a bronzy gold. And that is going to be the base for the glitter I'm going to use. Okay, so the glitter we're going to use is also from Jlarue, and it's called 24 Carats. And then I'm going to use Such a Fancy Cosmetics, their Chunky Gold Glitter. Okay, so I'm using the Jlarue glitter first. Okay, and this is in 24 karat. And this glitter is like glitter flakes. Okay, next I'm going into the Such a Fancy Cosmetics glitter. Okay, and their chunky glitter is a little bit more, yeah, well this is actually chunky glitter. I was using a few minutes ago, those are flakes. Okay, so I'm just smudging that dark brown, the Cameroon, and from the Afrotique palette, and smudging it right under their eye, and it's kind of going to be the main color. And I'll put a little bit of black above, like in the waterline. The only good thing about me doing looks like this, I can do it real quick. Okay, so I sprayed the Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist. I love that stuff, and it smells so good. Like, oh my goodness, it's like a hairspray, but it's for your face. Okay. And then I sprayed the, I think it's Milani or Makeup Revolution. I think it's Makeup Revolution. It's like an oil control set spray. Okay. And guess who finally got their Juvia Place highlighters today? Me. Okay, it took them long enough, right? But I got this one. I think it's part of the second collection because they have two of them. So this one is in Royalty 2. I had Royalty 1, but it was too dark for me, so I got Royalty 2 instead. And then I got their new one, which is the, I know I'm about to pronounce this wrong. I know it's not called Heroine. I think it's called, it might be, I don't know, but it's this, okay? And then this is inside the package. It's real cute or whatever, but I hope it's more than just this little square inside of here, because it's like a big, it says 4 grams, so I guess that's why. I don't know, but we about to find out what they do. Okay, so I'm gonna put Heroine on my cheeks and my forehead, and I'll put the loose highlighter on my nose. I haven't used a pressed highlighter in a while. It's cute. Okay. Okay, and it went on really smooth too. Okay, Juvia, I see you. Okay, I like it. It's cute. I think I'll probably use it as a base for my loose highlighters. Okay, and I'm using Royalty 2, which is the loose highlighter. Put that on the nose. Oh, that's pigmented. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so for my lips, I just took a brown lip liner as usual. And I'm taking the NYX Soft Matte Lips, the matte lip cream in Cape Town. And I like these because they matte, but they're really moisturizing. I used to wear them a lot, and I don't know what happened. I don't know. And then I got this lip gloss. I think it's Essence. I'm honestly not sure. I found out, but I know the color of it is Nude Light.